Hello friends, welcome to Java training session 65. This is Haradhan once again as usual. Today in this session I will let you know the importance of daemon thread in Java. Thank you all for watching my videos. In case you are enjoying my videos, learning automation testing and Java, please like and share my videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification as and when I will upload any new videos. Do not forget to provide your valuable comment for any input or suggestion. Stay tuned for my next videos. In my previous video, you already know about thread. Thread have different life cycles: new, right, running, runnable, and waiting, and it will be dead. So daemon thread is a low priority thread in context of JVM, Java Virtual Machine, that runs in the background to perform tasks such as garbage collection, etc. Why garbage collection is required in Java? Because whenever some thread is running, right, and after that particular thread completes their work, it will be dead, but still it will use some memory, right, for CPU, right. So we need to clear all the unused item from the garbage so that memory space will be used for further action. So that is the reason, like, where we can implement daemon thread and which will run in the background to perform this kind of garbage collection stuff. The daemon thread do not prevent the JVM from existing. Existing means if the daemon thread itself is running, okay, when all user threads including non-daemon threads finish their execution. JVM terminates itself when all user threads finish their execution. JVM does not care whether the daemon thread is running or not. If JVM finds running daemon thread, it terminates the thread and after that shutdown itself. Okay, so whenever you are not using your system, either you are doing the logging off or you are shutting down the system, so immediately all the thread will be automatically terminated. Okay, so main thread, you already, in the last session I already told, right, in case you are not creating any thread, by default there will be one default thread which is the main thread in the main methods, but main thread cannot be set to daemon thread. Okay, to set a thread to be daemon thread, user need to do is to call thread.setDaemons. Okay, so that that particular thread will be setting to daemon thread. In case user call setDaemon method after the starting the thread start method, it will throw illegal thread state exception. So whenever we are starting the any method, right, so before that we need to set the daemon method, otherwise it will throw some illegal thread state exception. To check if the thread is daemon thread, user need to simply call the method is daemon, through which we can check it. So here I already created a class Java Session 5, right? Okay, so you already know how to create a thread, uh, default thread instance, right? Thread current thread, I am creating the object or instance equal to thread dot current thread, right? Now if you want to check whether that current thread is daemon or not, you can simply need to check the instance, then is daemon dot is daemon. Okay, so if you run it, obviously the current thread will not be daemon thread, right, because it's a default thread, right, it is false. Now how you can check set is daemon? So object or instance dot is daemon, so that is the method you need to, okay, sorry, ct dot set daemon. So that's why you can set, right, if you make it to true, it will be true. Now if you want to print it out, okay, you can do it. Okay, you can see, right, it cannot be possible exception in the main thread, right, because main thread, whatever thread we are using in the main thread, it cannot be set to daemon. So that is the reason this error message is coming. Okay, So by default, main thread will be not a daemon thread, and if you want to change it to daemon thread, it will be not be possible. Okay. Now, how to create a daemon thread? So here in my last session, I already seen show you, right. You can create threads by extending threads class or by implementing runnable interface, right. So here I will simply create a class here. This daemon thread which will be extending normal thread class. Okay. So it will be extending thread class. Now we need to create a object or instance, sorry, a method, right? Public, it will be return type as void, by public void run. Okay. Here we will check. Sorry, it's not the public. With the check, right? The current thread is daemon or not, or right? In case it is not daemon, so it will also print like normal thread, right? So here if we give the condition, how we can check the current thread, dot current thread, right? Dot is daemon. If it is daemon thread, so it will give you the output as daemon thread is running. Okay. Or else normal thread is running, right? I want to give the printout as normal thread is running. Okay. So that particular method we have run, right? So we have created a class, is daemon thread class, which is extending the thread class, and we have reused that particular created the method which return type is void, and we are checking whether the thread current thread is daemon or not. In case it is not, so it will give you the output. Normal thread is running, it is daemon, so it will give you the output, right? So you already know how to create an object or instance using the class for the thread. Okay. So here I will create object or instance, right? This is the one object I have created. Now I can create another object to, right? So normally if I want to run, so t1 dot start, it will be running, and t2 dot start, it will be running. Okay. Now let's run the program and let's see what is happening. So I did not set anything to daemon thread as of now. So normal thread is running, right? Okay. So it is giving you the result as normal thread is running because I am not setting any thread, because by default, right, the main thread is normal thread. It is the main thread, it is the normal thread. Now if you want to set any of the object or instance to daemon thread, so you have I am to use t1 dot set daemon, right? Here I need to set it to true, right? Then only it will be true, setting it to true. So now if you run it, so your t1, that object you have created, it is daemon thread, and normal t2 is object or instance is normal regular thread, right? So it will give you the corresponding output, right? For the t1 you can see daemon thread is running, and for the t2 is normal thread is running, right? Here in the I already mentioned, right? To check if thread is daemon thread, user need to simply call the method is daemon, right? And that start method, right? We need to use thread dot set daemon before the start method. If we use after the start method, it will throw some error, illegal thread state exception, right? So here we have set before the start method. Now if you cut and paste here, so it will throw some error. It is not possible, right? You can see normal thread is running, and for that particular t1 dot set daemon, it is throwing some error, right? The error is illegal thread state exception. So whenever you want to set any daemon thread, you should be set before the starting of that particular instance, right? So it will work. Now also for the T2 also try to set it. There is daemon. Okay, you can see that no output is coming, because by default, in case whatever thread you are there, at least one thread should be normal regular thread, right? All the thread cannot be set to daemon, otherwise your program will not run. Okay, now it will definitely run if you create another object, for instance. Suppose I am creating another object, for instance T3. Okay, now if I want to start T3, so it will be running and your output will be displayed accordingly. So all the thread cannot be set to daemon thread by default. Okay, at least one thread should be in the regular thread or normal thread, and rest of the thread can be set to daemon thread, right? You can see for the T1 and T2 daemon thread is running, and for the T3 normal thread is running. Okay, so that's why for the garbage collection part we can set all for the daemon thread, and with the help of, right, set daemon, right? That is the method we need to use, and obviously we need to pass the parameters true, right? In case if we are passing the parameters false, so what happened? It will not be set, right? You can see normal thread is running and daemon thread is running. Okay, so you need to pass the parameter as true, right? Then only it will set. If you want to check whether set is daemon or not, you need to use is daemon. So obviously one particular thread should be in active status, it should not be other rest of the thread you can set still daemon, but in case you are setting all the threads to daemon, so no work will be there from the, right, program standpoint. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you.